Making money online has never been more accessible, even if you don't have a college degree. The digital world offers countless opportunities to earn a living, and the best part is that many of these options require skills you can learn for free or at a low cost. Whether you're looking to start a full-time career, earn extra income, or explore your entrepreneurial side, this guide will show you how to make money online in 2025 without a degree. Let's dive in. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for services such as writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, and more. The best part? Many freelance gigs prioritize your skills over formal education. Start by identifying your strengths, whether it's creative writing, coding, or social media management, and build a portfolio showcasing your work. Over time, as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. If freelancing isn't your thing, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. Content creation allows you to share your passions and expertise while monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For instance, if you're passionate about cooking, you could start a blog with recipes or a YouTube channel with cooking tutorials. As your audience grows, so will your income potential. While it takes time and consistency to build a following, the long-term rewards can be significant. Plus, you can learn the necessary skills, like video editing or SEO, for free through online tutorials. Another excellent way to earn online is by selling digital products. Digital products are downloadable items like eBooks, templates, online courses, or stock photos that you can create once and sell repeatedly. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it easy to list and sell your creations. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, you could create and sell social media templates or printables. If you're knowledgeable about a particular topic, consider packaging your expertise into an online course. If you're looking for a simpler, less time-intensive option, consider participating in online surveys, user testing, or microtasking. Websites like Swagbucks, User Testing, and Amazon Mechanical Turk allow you to earn money by completing tasks such as answering surveys, testing websites, or tagging images. While these options won't make you rich, they're a great way to earn extra cash in your spare time. E-commerce is another booming avenue for making money online. You don't need a degree to start your own online store. All you need is a product and a platform to sell it. Consider dropshipping, where you sell products without holding inventory, or print-on-demand services that let you sell custom-designed merchandise. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Redbubble make setting up your store easy. Focus on finding a niche market and leveraging social media to promote your products. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn online, especially if you have an audience on social media, a blog, or a YouTube channel. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Many companies, including Amazon, have affiliate programs that you can join for free. The key to success is choosing products that align with your content and audience. For those with a knack for teaching, online tutoring is a fantastic way to make money. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant allow you to teach subjects you're knowledgeable in, from math to English as a second language. Many tutoring jobs don't require a formal degree, especially if you're teaching skills like music, art, or coding. If you're creative, consider selling your artwork, crafts, or handmade goods online. Platforms like Etsy or even social media marketplaces can help you connect with customers who appreciate unique, handmade items. Whether it's custom jewelry, hand-painted artwork, or knitted scarves, there's a market for your creativity. Another emerging trend for earning online is becoming a virtual assistant. As more businesses operate online, the demand for virtual assistants continues to grow. Virtual assistants help with tasks like email management, scheduling, data entry, and social media management. You don't need a degree to start. Strong organizational and communication skills are enough to land your first clients. No matter which path you choose, developing marketable skills is essential to increasing your earning potential. The good news is that there are countless free and low-cost resources to help you learn. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer courses on everything from graphic design to coding. Invest time in building skills that align with your chosen online income stream, and you'll be able to charge more for your services or create higher value products. It's also important to manage your time wisely and stay consistent. Making money online requires effort and dedication, just like any other job or business. Set realistic goals, create a schedule, and track your progress. Building an online income stream may take time, but with persistence, the results can be life-changing. To recap, here are the top ways to make money online in 2025 without a degree. 1. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Starting a blog or YouTube channel and monetizing with ads and sponsorships. 3. Selling digital products like eBooks or online courses. 4. Participating in surveys, user testing, or micro-tasks for extra cash. 5. Launching an e-commerce store or trying dropshipping. 6. Becoming an affiliate marketer and earning commissions. 7. Tutoring or teaching online without needing a formal degree. 8. Selling handmade goods or artwork on platforms like Etsy. 9. Becoming a virtual assistant for small businesses or entrepreneurs. The internet has opened up endless possibilities to earn a living, and you don't need a degree to take advantage of them. With determination, creativity, and a willingness to learn, you can create a steady online income that supports your financial goals. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on making money online, and share it with someone looking to start their online journey. Let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.